Good morning students, welcome again. In previous YouTube link we have completed our warm-up exercise of English lesson number 2, the story of Medusa and Athena. And today I am going to explain you the lesson. Okay, should we start? Yes. What is our lesson number 2? Story name is The Story of Medusa and Athena. Let's start. Students, take your pencil or you can take scale or you can keep your finger and read. Read. A long time ago there was a young maiden named Medusa. She lived in a place called Athens in Greece. So, who is there in our story? There is a young maiden. What do you mean by a maiden? A maiden means a young girl or a woman who is not married. Maiden मतलब क्या है? The girl who is not married, जिसकी अभी तक शादी नहीं हुई है, right? So who is there in our story? There is a maiden named Medusa. क्या नाम है इस गर्ल का? Medusa. Where she lived? She lived in Athens. Athens कहाँ पर है? ग्रीस में. Medusa was proud of her beauty and boasted about it to everyone around her. One day she would brag about her beauty skin, which was fair as milk. Another day about her flowing hair, and yet another day about her pretty green eyes and red lips. So, what it is said? What do you mean by boasted? Boasted means talked with too much pride about something. So, the young girl, maiden, जिसका नाम मेड्यूसा था, what she was about, उसे किस चीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा प्राउड था? She was proud about her beauty. She was a very beautiful, good-looking girl. So she used to boost herself. What do you mean by boost? She used to talk about her beauty every now and then. हमेशा अपने beauty के बारे में बात करती थी. What she used to talk? That her skin is fair as milk. उसकी skin कैसी है? एकदम milk जैसी white है, fair है. She used to talk about her hairs, her beautiful hairs. Then she used to talk about her eyes. She used to talk about her red lips. So, what it was said? That one day she would brag. What do you mean by brag? Brag means to talk proudly about something you own or something you have done. Brag का मतलब क्या है? कि किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में बहुत proudly, बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ करना is called as brag. So, what she used to do? One day she used to brag about her beautiful skin. वो अपने एक दिन वो अपनी स्किन की तारीफ करती थी. Then on the next day she used to brag about her hairs. Then on the next day about her pretty green eyes. And on the next day red lips. She would not miss any chance to admire herself while she brushed her hair or even she passed the bedroom window or when she drew water for her father's horses. So, what was the habit of Medusa? To always admire herself. Means हमेशा अपनी तारीफ करना, हमेशा अपने आप को देखना, उसको क्या था? She used to like those things. Medusa was having the habit of admiring herself. Whenever she brushed her hair, मतलब जब भी वो अपने बाल बनाती थी, or whether she is doing any work, whenever she see in the windows or in the water, whenever she sees her reflection, she used to admire herself. She would always daydream. क्या करती थी वो? हमेशा daydream करती थी. What do you mean by daydream? It means always to be in her thoughts only. वो हमेशा अपने सपनों में ही रहती थी. And all her chores would be forgotten. What do you mean by chores? टास्क दैट यू डू रेगुलरली. इट मीन्स उसका जो भी काम था रेगुलर वर्क, वो क्या करती थी? शी यूज टू फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग. वाई? बिकॉज शी वॉज अ डे ड्रीमर, राइट? शी यूज टू एडमायर हर सेल्फ ओनली. उसको क्या हैबिट थी? मेड्यूसा को क्या हैबिट थी? कि सिर्फ अपने आप को देखना, अपने आप को एडमायर करना, अपनी तारीफ करना, इतना ही पसंद था. एंड दैट्स वाई वो अपने घर के ऑल स्मॉल वर्क्स, एवरीथिंग, डे टू डे वर्क शी यूज टू फॉरगेट. People around her were tired of her boastful nature and gave her the cold shoulder. What do you mean by boastful? It means showing excessive pride. लोगों को क्या होने लगा था? They were tired. जब भी मेड्यूसा मिलती थी, she always used to talk about her beauty. So everyone was tired of her nature. उसकी ये हैबिट से सब लोगों को ये लगता मीन्स सब लोग उससे दूर भागते थे. What do you mean by cold shoulder? It means unfriendly treatment. What do you mean by cold shoulder? Unfriendly treatment. As they see Medusa, they used to run away from her. It means वो उससे बात करना नहीं पसंद करते थे. Why? Because Medusa was busy in admiring herself only. One day, she paid a visit to the Parthenon with her friends. The Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. So, one day, Medusa कहाँ गई थी? एक टेम्पल पे. What was that temple name? Where was the temple? Parthenon. क्या था? Parthenon temple के लिए गई थी. किसका टेम्पल था ये? गॉडेस एथेना का. She is the goddess of wisdom. People were grateful to goddess Athena for inspiring them and watching over Athens. Everyone except Medusa was awed by the beauty of the temple and the amazing sculptures and paintings that decorated it. So one day what happened? Medusa went to a temple. What was the temple name? Parthenon. Parthenon में गई थी Medusa. किसका टेम्पल है ये? गॉडेस एथेना का. कौन है ये? गॉडेस एथेना. शी इज द गॉडेस ऑफ विजडम. पीपल वॉज वेरी ग्रेटफुल दैट like how we people worship to our god, in the same way Athens used to worship goddess Athena, and they were very thankful for her. Goddess Athena used to inspire people and she take care of the Athens also. Everyone in the temple was awed. What do you mean by awed? Very impressed. सब लोगों को टेम्पल कैसे लगा? बहुत अच्छा लगा. सब लोग कैसे थे? impressed हो गए थे. Why? By the beauty of the temple and the amazing sculptures and paintings that decorated it. सब लोग टेम्पल से impress क्यों हो गए थे? Because it was very beautiful. टेम्पल कैसे था? बहुत ही beautiful था. उसके sculptures. What do you mean by sculptures? Solid figures or objects made by carving or shaping wood, stone, clay, metal, etc. It means वहाँ पे जो भी डिज़ाइनिंग वगैरह थी, जितने भी सॉलिड फिगर्स थे, लाइक गॉडेस का फिगर जैसे बनाया था, उनसे कैसे थे वो सब लोग इम्प्रेस्ड थे. Medusa thought she would have made a better subject for the sculptor than goddess Athena. But Medusa, how is she? How was the nature of Medusa? It was boastful, right? कैसे था? अपने ही तारीफ करती थी हर बार Medusa. So that's why what she thought, instead of goddess Athena, she would be a better subject to the sculptors. Who is sculptor? Who makes the thing. जो भी sculptures बनाते हैं, we say them as sculptor. What did Medusa think? कि वो goddess Athena से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा subject बनी होती, so that sculptor will carve. When Medusa passed the hallway and reached the altar, she sighed and said, "It is a beautiful temple. It is a shame that it was wasted on goddess Athena, for I am much prettier than she is. Perhaps someday people will build a grander temple to my beauty." So, what happened? Medusa, she was walking in the hallway. Students, हमने last video में देखा था hallway का मतलब क्या है? It means द स्पेस बिटवीन द एंट्रेंस, है कि नहीं? एंट्रेंस के सामने जो स्पेस होती है बालकनी की तरह, डैट इज कॉल्ड एज हॉलवे. जब हॉलवे में चल रही थी मेडुसा, व्हाट शी सेड, व्हाट शी अल्टर, शी सेड दैट दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल टेम्पल एंड इट इज बेस्ड ऑन गॉडेस एथेना. बट व्हाट शी थिंक्स, दैट बिकॉज ऑफ माई ब्यूटी पीपल विल बिल्ड अ ग्रैंडर टेम्पल टू माई ब्यूटी. व्हाट शी थिंक्स कि ये इतना अच्छा टेम्पल गॉडेस एथेना पे वेस्ट किया है लोगों ने. जब उसकी बारी आएंगी मेडुसा की, तो लोग इससे भी बहुत बड़ा और ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल टेम्पल बनाएंगे. किसके लिए? फॉर हर. इट मीन्स फॉर मेडुसा, बिकॉज शी थिंक्स दैट शी इज़ मच प्रिटियर एंड शी इज़ मच गुड लुकिंग देन गॉडेस एथेना. So students, here we are stopping with our lesson. In next video, I will be explaining you the remaining half. Till that, you have to read this story. Okay, bye bye.